Transformation hacks! Okay, whoa.
Okay.
What are we doing here?
Through the makeup, right?
What is the process here? What are we making her into?
To this thing.
Whoa! Oh, to tighten up the skin.
the
Okay.
skin, yeah.
So we're making her youthful. Okay. I mean, she's not,
What is this for? Is it the... to lift
to lift everything up.
everything.
Okay. I like how she's like,
Yeah.
what the heck is that thing?
It's aloe vera.
Aloe vera.
For everything. Very
Okay, interesting.
Very helpful. Okay. So it's just the makeup techniques, right?
Okay, yeah. So we're doing a kind of a beauty day for her right now.
Okay.
Okay. Nice. I feel like they got the skin tone a little wrong, but okay.
Yeah.
Soap.
Soap
What?
for the
For the eyebrows? Okay.
but
No, why? I would be the same. What are you doing to me?
she like shocked a bit, right?
Yeah.
Whoa, vibrant breath.
It's to get the contour on fleek.
That's
I know words because my ex used to say them all the time, and sometimes I'd actually listen, so that was good.
But are you what? Are you?
I'm a makeup expert.
Okay, then share it with us.
So right now they're using an eye pen
because
it's on the eye and it's a pen.
You mentioned so many excuses in the beginning why you know this, and after that,
Yeah, because it's my great grandmother was a professional. She invented makeup.
I think there is not place for shaming or something.
No.
So,
All right, so we're adding beautiful lashes.
okay.
Very nice. I always thought guys should be able to wear more eyelashes. Like if we want to get our eyelashes up,
We can fly away.
fly away. It'd be cool. Look like a rock star.
But actually, it's very uncomfortable because
Yeah,
me
true.
personally, I have a quite long one, and sometimes with
So if
the
they curl, they'll
goggles or
go up and
something,
they'll touch the top of your
Yeah.
eye. Yeah, no.
it's kind of. Sorry, it's not for me.
Okay, that's fine. I forgive you.
Oh.
Wow. Okay. Nice.
Okay. So
She looks like a sophisticated businesswoman. About to make some deals.
so.
She's about to solve the mystery of the lost property and sell you a house.
Will they show us before after? Well, it's nice.
It is a really nice transformation. Nice.
Okay.
And she likes it too.
Oh no, a bleach stain!
Cut off my top, quick, Doc! Love these videos.
What is going on
They
again?
make no sense.
Okay. They again cut.
Alright,
Their
she just
balls.
went way lower than she's supposed to, but okay. No
Be
judging
careful.
here, no judging.
I feel like it's good as it is. Like, you fixed it, you're showing a little bit more, but it's
But
okay.
alas, it would be better.
Okay, so we have to make slits.
Exactly.
Very nice. Oh my gosh, so many slits.
So many
How did we
slits.
get here? So many.
Slidelicious!
Slidelicious. Sounds dirtier than it is.
Alright.
Guys, what's wrong with you?
What's a peach? It gets dirty down there.
Oh, now they're tying it together.
Alright, that's okay, that's actually not bad.
We're making a nice lace thing here.
I saw actually one guy. He did it the same thing on the street with some girl. All this cutting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like,
It's like a new trend or something.
Yeah.
It's
but it was much worse.
I feel like it's
Not
close
tying-
to being illegal, but not quite illegal. It's like, they're still clothed, but they're like getting a lot less clothed as the seconds pass.
Okay.
Okay, nice.
Subtracting some clothes, right?
We're getting some more cuts
But-
here.
It's adding fashion.
Ah,
Subtracting cloth, adding fashion.
but it's also adding ingenuity.
What kind of ingenuity here?
But okay, it's just design. It's for chic, As soon as your clothes get out of fashion,
So
you
who
have
is-
to cut them up so you
who
can
is
be
this chic?
part of the new thing.
Hello, what?
Oh my gosh. Anyway, so we're doing some more folds. Is it too exposed? Yes.
I wouldn't say it's too exposed.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
I mean,
You're fine.
everything's covered.
You're excused.
There's
Do
just
whatever
some
you
nice
want.
Little. Come on.
What?
As long as you don't cross the bounds into, outdoor nudity, public nudity, it's okay.
Unless it's an actual beach.
Unless you're at a, an area, a designated
No
area.
one's judging people who would like to be free.
No, we're not.
No.
You know, some
not.
people like going
Okay.
full nude.
So anyway,
Anyway, what's going on in the video?
yeah. So she feels confident now that her clothes are cut. That's good. I
Alright,
want to make new
she's
friends.
Is she zip? No, she's not zip tying her. Okay. It's just another cloth.
Piece of
She's cutting it out and she's using to tie it. That's actually kind of
Reusing.
smart. Yeah, reusing. Take a photo of me.
You're taking a
being
video right now.
videoed.
What are you talking about? I mean, a photo is different though. You can do poses and stuff right now. Wow, that looks
Alright.
cool.
It looks
yeah,
nice.
it looks
It looks really nice.
good.
I judged a book by its cover and I regret it.
You did. You
That's
did
very,
indeed.
very stylish.
Some efforts
Look at
and
that.
voila.
Bye, have a
Voila.
beautiful time.
Bye.
Whoa, whoa.
Okay.
This is interesting.
Again, this. Oh. Is it a popular thing to lift it up your?
I guess
breast?
so.
Yeah.
All right. We're doing hair rolls. I've never understood what those are for exactly. Are they just for curls or what do they do?
What this?
Yeah, the
Yeah,
rolls.
for curls.
Ah, okay.
What else?
I don't know. I thought it was just things that like mothers in sitcom movies did.
It's actually when you wash your hair, you can rip it like so and do nothing. Just sleep with it, and on the morning you have the perfect curls, I guess.
Okay.
And as what I know, maybe I'm wrong, but this is the best way how you can achieve the. Oh, sorry, I missed something.
No, it's okay. Yeah, I think maybe it is the best way. And now we're doing the contour. We're getting our cheekbones to be highlighted now. And they also contour the nose so that you can actually change the shape of your nose basically with makeup,
Yeah.
which is crazy. Don't trust
Fully,
makeup.
Yeah, you can make us a broken one.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
I saw
exactly.
also the videos like so. So
Right
don't
now,
believe everything you see. In
yeah,
it, right?
don't believe in everything you see on Tinder.
Not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor, for sure not a sponsor.
Yeah.
So far, it's not looking very good, but when they blend it, I'm sure it'll come out nice.
Okay. So now they just achieve the shapes. That,
Exactly, yeah.
Exactly. And then after that, they
Once they blend it, it all kind of smooths out and it starts looking nice.
Oh, wow. It's like art, actually.
It
right?
is, yeah. Okay, what are we doing? Okay, we're adding some eyeshadow.
I like that they use the life hacks during the whole transformation.
Yeah.
You know, just which is good. Yes.
It's very cool. All right, doing some white and pink. Ooh, so close to the eyes is a little uncomfortable.
And it's always.
All right, we're that that device looks like a torture device, but it's actually not.
Yeah. Actually, I tried. You know, in my
Yeah?
childhood, I took this from
From your mom's
mom. Yeah.
stuff, yeah, because you're
And I
wondering what
did
is it?
Yeah. So
That's
fun.
Memories.
Memory. Oh, maker. Okay.
Make your lips look a little bit bigger, a little fuller. Nice.
I'm just curious how far you can go to make them bigger. I mean,
That's
and
true,
they
yeah,
both
you can-
looks, yeah,
Your whole face is just one big lip.
it's still natural. You know, it doesn't look very natural for me. That they, but okay,
it's
okay, they became bigger. Okay,
Yeah.
that life hack works.
It works. Successful life hack. Let's unravel these rolls. And very pretty. Nice.
Wow, wow.
Beauty queen. You're beautiful. It's true.
Okay.
Yeah.
Didn't change a lot for
No,
me,
not like I think she
but
looks great
yeah,
both ways, but
yeah, sure.
and that's her
Oh.
mama. Or that's her daughter.
Oh,
Very
yes.
nice. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
I said it the wrong way, but you know.
Okay.
Very nice.
Wow.
Yay!
Looks so pretty. Yeah. Wow.
Oh, and now it's time for the fashion walk. Nice. So elegante.
Yeah.
Very cool. Okay. It's a whole show as well.
yeah,
Nice.
yeah.